So the media is instructed not to take facial photographs of any of the family members, which are the two aunts, the grandfather, or T.J. Lane. Photographs not showing facial features will be permitted.
Yesterday, law enforcement officers responded to Chardon High School for a report of an active shooter in the school. It became known to first responders at that time that a student by the name of TL had a .22 handgun and was shooting other students in the school. Once in custody, Lane was advised of his rights. He confessed to taking the .22 pistol to school along with a knife. He admitted he went into the school cafeteria and fired 10 rounds at a group of students sitting at the cafeteria table, that he did not know the students, but he chose them randomly. Since then, 3 of the victims have expired due to the gunshot injuries. 1 remains hospitalized, and the 5th victim has been released to the family. Your Honor, for the reasons set out, this is an active investigation for the safety of this juvenile and for the safety of this community. And we'd ask that this court entertain a motion to detain him while proper charges and the investigation can be completed and proper charges can be presented to this court.
The court will then find that pursuant to Juvenile Rule 7A, that the placement of TJL in his home would be contrary to the juvenile's own welfare and the protection of the community, and that efforts to prevent or eliminate the need for removal of said juvenile from his home under the alleged circumstances would not be reasonable, and that TJL should remain in detention pending further order of court during these proceedings for the reason that detention is necessary due to the serious nature of the allegations and charges. Detention is necessary and required to protect the person or property of others in the community from immediate or threatened physical or emotional harm, and that detention is required to protect the juvenile from himself from immediate or potential threatened physical or emotional harm. This matter then, under Rule 7, I can place TJ in detention for 15 days.